Welcome back to 50 States,
50 plates!
where we explore America one plate at a time. Each week we choose a different state and then we make a famous regional dish from that state in the comfort of our own kitchen. We are making our way through America. I think this might be episode 20. So we're almost halfway there. Last week we had Alabama. We made a couple of different recipes from Alabama. It was so incredibly good. If you missed that video, I will link it here. And I always have the entire playlist down below. So if you're catching this for the first time, you've got a lot to catch up on. If you send in a picture from Alabama, I will share those at the end of this episode, so stay tuned. And then this week with South Dakota, if you have pictures from South Dakota, you can email me at mystate@mandyinthemaking.com. I will share those next week. I have to say I was a little intimidated when we did our research and found out that the recipe that we're making this week is called Chislic. And I hope I'm saying that right. And then the more research I did, I was underwhelmed with the presentation, the way it was all made, but we're gonna give it a shot. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna let Steven do this because he's gonna be doing some frying. Anytime we do frying in this house, it's that guy.
I'm the fry guy.
That's right. But with this particular recipe, there's several different meats you can choose from. So Chislic can be made with any red meat, really. You could use venison, beef. We are using lamb, which is more traditional. And Chislic came about in the 1870s. A German-Russian immigrant named John Holworth, I'm probably saying that wrong, it's here on the screen. He is known as the father of Chislic. He came over and introduced this to South Dakota.
So Chislic, is it Chislic? Chislic. That's what we're making today, right?
Right.
Chislic. So.
You think that's beef?
That is not beef, that is lamb.
That's right.
So we went to Sam's Club, we got us a leg of lamb, which we've chopped up and prepared.
It's not cheap.
For this, no, it's not cheap.
It was like $43, but it was a lot of meat.
So. It was a lot of meat, so
yeah.
we're gonna have to save the rest of it. We're just gonna make enough for me and Mandy, but apparently Chislic is the way to go. So that's what we're doing for South Dakota. We've never made anything with lamb.
We've never made, I've never had lamb. Have you?
I've had it.
Like in a gyro or something,
I've
or gyro. Is it gyro or gyro?
One of those two.
Anyway.
A Greek guy that I was with in the military, he called him a hero.
Oh, that is very special.
He'd jump on me every time I said gyro. It's not gyro, it's hero. I'm like, all right, hero. So anyhow, what we're going to do is, now what I've done, I chopped the loin up. I try to get all the silvery pieces off of it and fat and all the other stuff.
You did a good
Clean
job.
it up as much as I could. And this is going to be basic. I mean, from everything we've read online, there's regional differences in how this is prepared. So we're just going to go with, the simple, straightforward approach. I mean, really, all we're going to do is go ahead and season them. So we're going to do salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and put a little oil in there as a kind of like a binder. Yeah. We're just going to kind of oil them up here.
Which we're going to be shallow frying them over there on the stove, so there'll be lots more oil, but this is just to make the seasoning stick.
Right.
But the thing that we noticed was it is basic. This is not a fancy, tons of ingredient type of dish.
It's really like an appetizer.
It is, yeah. I would imagine you can probably find it at like fairs and stuff like that a lot.
Be a great barbecue appetizer if you're entertaining guests.
Now, what does lamb taste like?
It's just a milder version of beef. Really, in a way. So we're going in here with the salt. We're just eyeballing this. No exact measurements, obviously.
Garlic powder.
But I do want to get them coated because I want to see some color.
Right.
Now, some things say deep fry it.
And we even saw grilling it too.
You could probably do this on the Blackstone if you wanted to. But we're going to do a shallow fry. Putting some paprika on there for just a little, you can say spice if you want to. Paprika has a little bit of a spice to it, but really for that color.
Okay.
So just a little bit more oil there, and then we're just going to mix it up.
Okay.
That's all we're doing here.
We appreciate you doing this.
Well, you're welcome.
We're just making like 2 kebabs, basically, right? One for you, one for me.
And we're just going on with the meat.
Okay. We got a lot of meat on there.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
It's going to be good. Man, it smells good.
The way I thought you were about to take a bite,
Thought I was going to bite that raw meat. That'd be something to talk about, wouldn't it?
So Freeman, South Dakota, every year they have a Chislic festival, and they consider themselves the Chislic capital of America. At the Chislic festival, they do it deep fried and they serve it with slices of onion.
That sounds good. Sign me up for that.
So we're using a cast iron today.
Medium high, it's been heating up. You can see that's
kind of smoking a little bit.
Smoke a little bit. We're going to go ahead and pour the oil in. Again, we're shallow frying these. So about that much.
And we're using canola oil, which is not the best for you, but you know, here we are.
And there it is.
All right.
And that's it. I mean, dang, it just goes in the oil.
And that's it. It's so easy.
I mean, that's
it's
all
so
it's
easy.
Gonna be for this.
So easy.
I've seen people make sauces and stuff and put sauces in there, and then there's some kind of thing with saltine crackers.
Yeah, we bought some saltines.
I need to hear from the South Dakotians right now.
Dakotians? Is that what they are?
I don't know.
I mean, I like that.
I like that too.
Why?
About saltine
Why saltines?
Why do we
right.
eat saltines with this? What's up with that?
I don't know, but we bought some, so we're going to eat it too.
I like that. We see here in the South, we come up with every excuse in the world to use saltines.
Well, we love some saltines.
Back in the day when my grandfather and my granddaddy, I called him Pop. Mm-hmm. Or we called him the old man because that's what he was called all his life. He was old even when he was young. But we'd come in from working in the fields, and for lunch we'd have potted meat and sardines.
Oh, God.
With saltine crackers. That made the difference right there.
Oh, my gosh.
Saltine crackers.
Turned my stomach. Okay. We're going to let this heat up. I'm probably going to say the name of this town wrong. Manawi, South Dakota, is the only town in America that has a population of 1. Elsie Eiler, she's in her 90s. She lives there. She is the mayor. She's the clerk. She's the treasurer. She's the librarian, and she's the bartender at the local tavern. It is an actual town, and it does have a population of 1. She's in her 90s, so somebody's going to have to take over at some point. And I wonder if they'll expand and be more than just one person in that town. I also want to know how large this town is. For her to, there only to be 1 person. How does that even work?
I don't know.
What does she need to be the mayor of?
Herself.
Or the treasurer of? Or the bartender too? I don't know. That's very interesting. She has a
conversation with herself every day.
Hey, I talk to myself too. No judgment. He's checking the temperature.
Just a smidgen more.
Oh my
Waiting for this little bit of oil here to get up to about 350. And then we're going to pop them in there and do our thing.
I am so sleepy, y'all. What is my problem?
You need to wake up.
I do need to wake up. Drop it like it's hot.
Drop it like it's hot, because it is hot.
Oh, she pretty.
Mm-hmm. I believe we are done.
I think we are too. Look at that.
We're just going to let them sit for about 5 or 6 minutes to cool off.
Okay.
And then we're going to try them.
We've got some ranch to try them with. We've got some hot honey. We're just going to try different things. Why not? Mount Rushmore is in South Dakota, and the monument took 14 years to complete. 90% of it was carved using dynamite. They had to be very precise in order to get the blasts to go exactly where they wanted to. But 90% of it was carved using dynamite.
I don't know what this is going to taste like. I'm going to have to see.
I'm a little bit scared. I ain't going to lie.
All right, let's just try this end piece here. That's good.
Okay, is it tender? Does it taste like beef? Give me some.
It's tender.
Okay.
It's definitely got a different texture to it.
Than beef?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
But it's good. I feel like this would be tender than beef.
More tender than beef?
Especially like a sirloin, if you were to use a sirloin.
Yeah.
That is really good. It's almost got like almost like a grainy sort of texture to it.
Interesting.
Around the edges. Where it's been seared. But yeah, it's super tender. Let's try this ranch here. Not bad.
Okay.
It's definitely like an appetizer. Like a fair food type of thing. That is delicious. You're going to love this.
Good.
Very tender. I mean, more tender than I thought it was going to be.
Nice.
Great texture, good flavor. I mean, definitely get a little bit of a spice from the paprika, you know, the pepper, salt, and all that stuff come together really nice.
All right, you didn't eat no saltine with it.
Okay, I'll saltine with it.
Yeah, because that's the thing apparently.
Let's do a little ranch. Okay. Well, I like that a lot.
I'm excited to try it.
That's a great little appetizer. Let's put some hot honey on that joker.
The tiniest drop of all drops.
Oh my goodness. Gotta be a He-Man to get that out.
So there's a very famous drugstore pharmacy in South Dakota. It is called Wall Drug, and it became famous during the Great Depression. It's right along a highway, and they had signs out that said free ice water. And so they got people to come in and get free ice water. Today, they still have that sign out. They still give out free ice water, but it is expanded. It is huge. It's got a restaurant. It's got like, not a boutique, but like shops, that type of thing. I think you can shop some Western wear and gear out there. It's really expanded, but Wall Drugstore started in 1931, just handing out ice water. I think that's so cute.
It's good for the soul.
You gotta sniff it first.
You're gonna like it.
Actually, I'm gonna taste it without anything.
It doesn't have like a gamey taste or anything like that.
Okay, good. Okay. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't this. But I'm pleasantly surprised.
Yeah, it's really good.
My first time having lamb.
Go you!
I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna make me a little cracker sandwich. You like that?
I do. A little crunchy cracker to go with your meat.
I really like this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be real honest, I was not excited about today. I was like, I don't want to eat lamb.
Yeah.
And honestly, because everything I read was like, oh yeah, you just put a little salt and pepper on it and fry it up and that's it. I was like, okay. But this is really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
All right, I'm down.
You down?
So South Dakota is home to the world famous attraction called the Corn Palace. It is a building that is covered in murals using actual corn. Can you guess how often they have to tear down those murals of corn and redo it? How often do they do that?
A little hot honey on there.
Okay. You got to work out just trying to get the hot honey
squeeze. Out. Yeah, just a little taste of it. Oh yeah.
Good with the hot honey?
A little sweet.
Okay.
Spicy.
Yeah.
I mean, you just use regular honey for this.
It would probably come out easier. I don't know why this thing is so messed up.
I am aggravated at you right now. You're going down, clown. There's some guy food right there.
It's delicious. I have to say, I'm very impressed and I can't wait to eat some more.
That is good. The more I eat it, the more I love it.
The answer to our trivia question, how often do they tear down those murals of corn? Every single year. Every fall, they tear it all down and they redesign the murals of corn and they put it back up. Wow. That is some dedication.
Yeah.
Okay, it is that time. We gotta pick another state. I've got the map here so we can take a look at what we've already done. Obviously, we haven't colored in South Dakota yet, but take a look and take your guess as to where we're gonna land for our next one. I'm going with Indiana today. What do you say?
I was gonna say Indiana.
No way.
Yeah.
All right, we're both going with Indiana.
I tell you what, I'm gonna do Kentucky.
All right. Indiana, Kentucky. Let's see. The jar will tell us. Oh, I pulled two.
We are going to the great state of Florida.
Okay, I have no clue what it's going to be for Florida. I mean, they're known for oranges, aren't they? Yeah, Florida orange juice. Yeah. But I don't know what they're known for.
Crab. I know some places they do crab.
Well, yeah, because I mean they're pretty much surrounded by water, so seafood is a good guess.
Yep.
I don't know though.
We're gonna have to find out.
It's the Sunshine State. I have a shirt that says something about sunshine. I'll be sure to wear that when we're doing Florida. But all right, so let's go color in South Dakota. But while I go pick out that color, let's take a look at your pictures from Bama. Okay, we're going with sky blue for South Dakota. We looked up their flag. Their flag is really blue, so I'm going with that. And there we go. South Dakota, done. Now we're traveling all the way back over here and headed to Florida. Thank y'all so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, there's this little button down at, especially if you're watching on mobile, where you can click hype and you can hype this video. And that just tells YouTube, again, that you really enjoy it and you want more people to see it. So it helps out the channel, it helps out the series. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I will see you in Florida next week. Bye, y'all.